Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy, and welcome to another day in real estate. Well, I'm up here in the attic of a listing that we're about to have closed this week, and finally, this one got delayed because it had to get a second roof on it. And first time in my career where we had to have a roof put on because it inspected badly, and then a week later, because of a massive hailstorm, had to put another roof on it. So it's got to be thinking. Make sure you check your deductibles with your insurance, and you know what to expect in the event of a catastrophic storm, right? Because when you have a 2% deductible on a $500,000 house, that can be really expensive, especially if you get hit with it twice. And so just make sure and sit down. Hey, it's this fall. Things are a little slower right now. Sit down with your documentation, go through it, and make sure you have all of your coverages right and that you're not going to get hit with something crazy. Now, I'm up here because occasionally we have to go check on things and just make sure everything is right, because you get contractors going through here and they're slinging things around fast and making a mess and leaving cups and trash and all kinds of stuff behind, cutting holes and things, sawdust everywhere. And so this is buttoned up now nicely. I moved a few things around. This homeowner can move in here. They're not going to have to worry about any of this stuff being messed up, and they'll be happy with it. Hey, they got a new roof, right? A second new roof. So, Kevin McCarthy, if you would like to talk real estate with me, I'm always happy to have a conversation with you. If you want to talk insurance, I'm happy to answer the questions that I know or from the experience that I see in the field with what's happening, or hook you up with one of my experts. So I'd love to chat with you anytime. Peace.